Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch feature on your Casio Pro PRG240 watch. This is a module 3246 watch. This video will work for any of the 3246s or 3173 model watches. So it's pretty simple. From our main timekeeping mode, you can get to different modes. You've got sunrise sunset mode on this watch, you've got a timer, you've got a world time, you've got the stopwatch, and then you've got modes like the compass, barometer, and altimeter. They all use their own independent buttons over here. If we want to go to one of the other modes, we're going to press the mode button. Now, as we press the mode button, in the top left here, it will give you a very brief description of what mode you're in. And when I say very brief, it's less than a second. There will also be a pointer that will point to this inner chapter ring that has a description, and it will tell you which mode you're on. You're going to be able to kind of figure out what mode you're on just by looking at the watch face. We're going to press the mode button 4 times to get to the stopwatch. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice it said STW up there. We know we're in the right place. That will go away, and then your top left will be your hour display. You can run the stopwatch for up to 24 hours before it will reset. That's going to be your hours. The top right will be your 100th of a second indicator. Then you'll have your minute, seconds. The bottom will always be your current time. So while you're in the stopwatch, you can always see your current time. You can also let the stopwatch run in the background. You don't have to stay in the stopwatch mode to have the stopwatch running. So it's pretty basic. You can have one split time that is displayed, and that is it. Other than that, it's basically just a start, stop, and reset feature. Your altimeter button will be your start, pause, resume. While it's stopped, if you want to reset the stopwatch, you will press the compass button, and that's going to be your reset button. If you wanted to do a split time while the stopwatch is running, instead of stopping it, for example, let's say there's 2 runners that are running and you want to time both of them. When one of them finishes and you want to do the split, you'll press the compass button. You'll see that it says split up here. The stopwatch is still running in the background. What's kind of silly is it doesn't show you that value until you actually stop the split. So my second runner has now finished. I will press the altimeter button to stop. And then basically what it's going to do is it's going to show me this is the time for my first runner, 13 seconds and 6/100ths of a second. If I press the compass button while it's stopped, it will show me the time for my second, 27 seconds, 74/100ths. While I'm on my second split time display, if I press compass again, it will reset back to 0. Pretty simple stuff. Basically, while the stopwatch is running, if you want to do a split, just simply press the compass button. As I mentioned before, you can start your stopwatch, you can press the mode button, go to any other mode you want to, and the stopwatch will be running in the background. There's no other way to display it other than going to the mode. So if you did want to go see your stopwatch, you would need to press the mode button 4 more times, get back to it, and you can see that the stopwatch has been running this whole time. Pretty simple stuff. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.